Hi. In the previous video, I talked about out of the bag error or OOB score. In this video, I'll be utilizing that OOB score when I create a random forest classifier. So stay tuned. Let's now utilize OOB score to create better fitting models on testing data. Let's start by importing the necessary modules. I have a simple file called as loan_prediction.csv. I load that into my data frame df. I have 5 independent columns and 1 dependent column. I have a total of 614 rows with me. Let's create an instance of the random forest classifier and set the OOB underscore keyword to true. I split x and y from my data frame. I have total of 5 columns in my x and 1 column in my y. Furthermore, I split my x and y in the ratio of 75 to 25. The next thing that I'll do is I'll fit my x train and y train in my classifier and I'll extract out the score. So it's saying the accuracy of my current random forest classifier at training is 100%. When I look at the OOB score, it is very poor, which is 71%. So think of OOB score as your validation score, wherein you don't have to explicitly mention your validation set. Now if I look at my testing score, the value turns out to be 76.23%, which is a very low value. So as you can clearly see, my random forest classifier is overfitting for the given data set. It has a high training accuracy, but a very low testing accuracy. My training accuracy was 100% and my testing accuracy was 76%. How do we deal with this is where my OOB score can be utilized smartly. So I create a parameter dictionary and I create a grid search object out of it. And then I fit x train and y train on that grid object. The way this will work is you will have Gini index as one criteria and one combination of each list values would be taken and a random forest would be created out of it. You will have around 200 random forests created and the best fitting model based on accuracy would be returned into the best estimator. This process will take some time based on the computational capabilities of your system. Let's find out the best classifier. So my best classifier is the one which has max depth equal to 2. Entropy is my criteria and so on and so forth. Now when I fit x train and y train on my best classifier and calculate the score, the training accuracy is less. It is not 100% anymore. My training accuracy is decreased, which is 76%. But if you carefully notice, my out of the bag score, which is OOB score, has increased to 75%, which in my previous case was 71%. So there is great amount of improvement that I see in my validation set. Now I'll try to make predictions out of this using my classifier for the testing data set. And now my testing accuracy has increased from 76% to 79%. So this was a short video on how you can utilize OOB score or out of the bag error to create best fit models by using that set of data which is unutilized in training as your validation set. If you do have any questions with what we've covered in this video, then feel free to ask in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer those. If you enjoy these tutorials and would like to support them, then the easiest way is to simply like the video and give it a thumbs up. And also it's a huge help to share these videos with anyone whom you think would find them useful. Be sure to subscribe for future videos and thank you so much for watching.